How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with Speed Tech Lights, and welcome to another episode of Speed Tech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Z6 Super Takedown and our Z6 Brake Light versions. So we do have our standard Z6, but then we also have our Z6 Super Takedown and our Z6 Brake Light. So for example here, I brought a red-blue unit in our Z6 Super Takedown. Now I went ahead and hooked up the warning functionality, which is my red positive cable, to my A switch here, and then on my B switch I hooked up my green steady burn override cable to my B switch. So you'll see when I activate that switch, my unit will go to Super Takedown. So you can easily override your warning functionality with your steady burn override, which will go to steady burn override in clear in its Super Takedown mode, or you can use it as your warning functionality there. And then you can also operate these functions independently if you would like to. But again, your Super Takedown will override the warning functionality of your unit. And then also you'll have multiple flash patterns programmed in your unit, so I went ahead and hooked up my yellow flash pattern cable to my F switch here, which is a momentary switch on my universal 6 switch box. So you'll see when I hit my F switch I can change patterns, so you can cycle to a pattern you'd like, and then your unit will have memory recall, so when you shut it off and back on, it will remember the last pattern it was on. And again, your Super Takedown function will override the warning functionality of your unit, or you can operate those independently. Now the same functionality goes here for our Z6 Brake Light. Now the difference here is your steady burn override will be all red LEDs. For example, if you wanted to hook this unit up for your warning functionality and then you wanted to hook up your green steady burn override cable to your brake lights, you have that functionality there. So you'll see that unit will go to steady burn red. And again, that will function just like our Super Takedown Z6, where the steady burn override will override the warning functionality of your unit, or you can operate those independently if you would like to as well. And again, your red positive cable will activate the warning functionality, which I went ahead and hooked up to my C switch here, and then the green cable, which will activate my steady burn override, I went ahead and hooked that up to my D switch here. And again, those will operate independently, or the brake light function will override the warning functionality of your unit. And again, I went ahead and hooked up my yellow flash pattern cable to my F momentary switch here, so I can easily switch flash patterns. And all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed. So you'll see that we have both options there with our Z6 Super Takedown model and our Z6 Brake Light model. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid and half-half color options for any application. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.